This video is going to illustrate TPP Online for Club's Clubhouse viewer. This feature can be used to connect a laptop to a TV or a projector and display live scoring results on those
so
mechanisms.
What I did is I have the people at the gym offices actually.
So we're going to click on that button.
For you. And so we've got one created. I've actually got it up now. They didn't have all your correct information. So or just tell you how to do it.
And now, once we're in the event schedule, we're going to go down to theme management.
Okay. So your username
and what we've done to help you with designing is we've created a GASC default Clubhouse viewer. And we think this looks pretty good for a lot of events. And to show you briefly what that looks like,
is your username. Yes.
I'm going to display
and then your password is the same.
A tournament using that GASC default theme. Now here you go, there's a space that's blank in the top left-hand corner and the top right-hand corner for you to add logos.
Something gets locked up.
Here's the name of an event,
creation process,
and here are your scoring results. The player names, this would be their player detail area, their score today, and since they haven't teed off yet, here's their tee time, and then here's the alphabetical scroll going across the bottom.
Yes.
Now we can go back into that theme, and now if you wanted to edit off of this theme, you'd scroll down to the bottom and click on Copy Theme. Now the file name is have to be very specific. You can't put in any special characters or any spaces. So I'm just going to call this GASC
Did that get you in?
Test Copy. Again, notice no spaces, no special characters in the name. And now I've copied and loaded successfully my copy of that default. Now if you want to change this background image, you can design your own, but you want to note that the pixel size should be 1024 by 573. And that will make sure it looks good on it when it gets put up on a projector or a TV screen. Now these areas here are where you can choose your left logo and your right logo. All you're going to do is choose a file on your computer.
Where did Piner send you those instructions?
You can tell it where you want it to go. If you leave the width and the height at 0, it will actually bring it in at the actual size of the logo. If it's too big, we recommend going at 150 wide or 200 wide to display in the top left or right corners correctly. Creating a transparent image helps it look better, and you can choose where in that top left corner it's going to appear. Again, that detail column that was blank, you can either show it in a separate column, which we recommend, append it to their name, or hide it so it just displays the player name. Since I don't have any for this event, I'm going to hide and show you what that looks like. We'll save this theme, and now you'll know it's saved because it's saved successfully. This one will allow you to tell how often you want the page to go through. More information about the alphabetical list down at the bottom. And now this style sheet is where all this information that you displayed is set. The color, the font, the size, it's all displayed here. If it was a match event, this is where you would have the match listings. If it was a cup event, this is where you would change it for a cup event. And if you want to change anything about for the screen layout in terms of updated, you could use it here. But the one you're really going to use is the style sheet here if you want to change any of the attributes that I had. And just to show you how that works, we'll change the tournament name.
Okay, I'm going to golf. I see it, organized golf. Okay. Okay.
right here.
Scramblers, chippers,
And I will
scramblers.
make it
Okay, here's scramblers. Okay.
a little bit bigger and bolded.
Let's see. I got click here for.
So now we'll save it again,
roster, click here for.
and we'll look back at our changes now using the same event. And click on Go. We'll choose the test copy that we've made.
Yeah. You're obviously a member of
Now you can see here's our logo, which I'll need to make a little bit smaller. And here's the tournament name, bolded, and I got rid of that details column. And all you would do is view this page, connect your laptop to a projector, and it helps sometimes to hit function F11,
here's the roster,
or just F11, excuse me,
below.
and that will make it full screen. If you have any questions on this, please contact the Carolinas Gin Support Department.
Gotcha. I see.
Thank you.
It's